Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby, and I hope you are having a good day when you are watching this. So we're about to head to Walmart to do some rebate shopping, and we're going to be using a ton of rebate apps today. We're going to be using Swagbucks, Shopkicks, and Ibotta. Maybe get some additional points when we scan our receipt to fetch rewards, but I'm super excited. I got an Ibotta midweek bonus, $1 for 8 offers, so not the greatest, but it's only 8 offers, so that's super easy to knock out. And of course, I'm going to be doing some offers that aren't included with Ibotta, but I compare with Shopkicks and Swagbucks. I want to get the most bang for my buck today, and we do need a couple of groceries, so what better way than to go ahead and get groceries by using Ibotta, Shopkicks, Swagbucks, all the goods. So if you are new and you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you are at it, but just make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. I would love to have you here and help my channel grow so I can reach more people and help you guys save tons of money and show you all the best offers and whatnot to expand your household, you know? I had the little guy in the back with me today. We're gonna see how he does at Walmart. He's really good at Walmart. It's so funny because if I do like smaller drugstores, he doesn't seem to like that. But if we go to Walmart, he's just super chill and relaxed. So that's kind of funny. Maybe we can find some clearance items to give us some overage for our cart today. All the goods. The printable list will be down in the description box, as well as my referral links to these rebate apps that I do mention today. They're all down there, so you guys can go ahead and sign up with those. I know a couple of them will give you back a certain reward just for using my link. I know with Ibotta, you'll get up to $20 in bonuses for scanning your first receipt and submitting your first offer. With Swagbucks and Shopkicks, you know, I'm not too sure off the top of my head, but I know that there is some good benefits if you use my links, and it would mean so much to me if you use my links. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the store. It's a hot one today in North Carolina. I'm sorry if you can hear my AC, but it's finally getting up to the 80s. The little guy's happy to see his toes and knees out and not in pants, so we are super excited about that. And let's just go and see what we can grab today for super cheap. So our first deal is a Shopkicks deal and a freebie. We're going to grab this Dove Beauty Bar at $127 and pay that out of pocket. We're going to get back 460 kicks from Shopkicks, so $1.84 makes it free plus a 57-cent moneymaker. We're also going to grab 2 of these Gillette antiperspirants at $5.47 each, so $10.94 for 2. We're going to use 2 $2 off coupons from the April P&G. We're going to pay $6.94 and get 215 kicks from Shopkicks, so that's 86 cents, and 500 Swagbucks for purchasing 2, which is equivalent to $5. That makes these 2 deodorants just $1.08 or 54 cents each. Mom brain got the best of me, and I picked up these 2 hair dyes I found on clearance for $3 each because we have $4 coupons that did expire on the 4th, so I could no longer use them. I was thinking I would get $1 in overage by getting these items, and it would have been a good deal if I had kept the coupons in date, but dead deal. I think I've been living under a rock, and I didn't try Nutella until last week when I got it in my haul, so we're going to go ahead and grab it again because it is really good. We're going to pay $1.48 out of pocket and get back 50 cents from Ibotta, which makes it just 98 cents. So there is currently a lot of snuggle rebates on Ibotta, so just mix and match to whatever you want. We're going to grab one of these scent boosters at $3.97 and use this 50-cent off coupon from the 321 save inserts. So we'll pay $3.47 and get back $2 from Ibotta, which makes it $1.47, and this will start tracking towards my snuggle bonus. So if I buy one more participating item, I'll get an additional $1, I do believe. We're also going to grab some V8 Splash at $1.84. We're going to pay that out of pocket and get back 50 cents from Ibotta, which makes it $1.34. My husband will be super excited. So Ibotta gave us a free after offer on the Werther's caramel candies. So you can get the ones that are $2.18 or this one that I grabbed at $1.92. So we're going to pay $1.92 out of pocket and get back $2.18 from Ibotta, which makes it free plus a 26-cent moneymaker. If you grab the ones that are $2.18, you'll just get that money right back and it'll be free. But in my opinion, I'd rather get a moneymaker to help lessen my out-of-pocket for these items that are in my cart. We're also going to grab some more Purdue this week at $3.98. We're going to pay that out of pocket and get back $1 from Ibotta and 48 cents from Shopkicks, so 120 kicks. That makes it just $2.50, so not a bad deal. We're going to grab this Sara Lee artisanal bread. Make sure you grab the potato bread, and I hope I'm saying this right. But it is $2.68 out of pocket, and then we're going to get back 75 cents from Ibotta, which makes it just $1.93. I also want to pick up this Annie's frozen mac and cheese at $2.94. We're going to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta will give us back $1.50, which makes it $1.44. And this is also starting to track towards my Annie's bonus. Our last deal of the day, and I'm super excited that the Carbona Stained Devils is back. So we're going to pay $2.28 for one of these bottles, and then we're going to get back $1 from Ibotta, which makes it $1.28. So these next few clips are me demonstrating how to scan your items in these rebate apps to make sure they qualify. We are currently on Shopkicks, so we're going to scroll under the Walmart tab and look for the item I want to scan. I'm looking to scan the Purdue, and we're going to go ahead and scan it for our 20 kicks, but also to make sure it is eligible for the rebate, so we are not wasting our time buying it if it's not. So we're scanning it, and then you will see that it is qualifying for the scan kicks, and then we will know that it will be eligible for the purchase kicks as well. Now we are on Ibotta. You just go under the Walmart retailer selection, go ahead and hit the barcode at the top of the screen, scan the product you want to scan. I chose the Annie's mac and cheese, and there you see the offers that qualify for it. So this is our complete rebate haul for today. You guys will see at self-checkout or in the car that I ended up putting that hair color back. But other than that, we have all of our coupons pulled, and we're about to go check out. So now we are on Swagbucks submitting our receipt to get our Swagbucks back. We hit the Walmart category for which store we're redeeming for and which offer we are redeeming for, which is the Gillette Antiperspirant. We're going to go ahead and take a picture of our receipt. And it is kind of slow, so don't worry about that. But we are going to take the picture of the receipt. It will submit, and then it'll give us a little message saying that our Swagbucks are coming. And in my case, they came instantly, so I got my $5 back. So now we are on Shopkicks, and under the Walmart retailer, we're going to go ahead and click one of our offers that we went ahead and redeemed today. We're going to hit submit receipt, and it will give you the option to claim any more kicks that you may have purchased in this transaction today. So we purchased the Gillette as well as the Purdue with that Dove Beauty Bar. So we're going to go ahead and select all of those, and then we're just going to make sure that's everything we need or anything we got. And then we will go ahead and snap our picture. Now I tried to do a smaller receipt today to see if my kicks would come back instantly. It's still processing, but I have no doubts that I'll get them pretty fast since I did scan everything and they qualified. So this is us scanning our receipt, and yeah, I think everything looks good. So we are still waiting on the kicks, but they will happen. I promise you. Sometimes Shopkicks is just super slow. And lastly, we are on Ibotta, so you're going to hit the redeem tab and you're going to select the retailer. In our case, it's Walmart. This one also takes forever to process. So with Walmart, they just ask you to scan your barcode. You don't have to take a picture of the whole receipt. You just scan the TC number. You can go ahead and manually enter it or scan it, and it'll recognize all of your offers. Just make sure that you clipped them all, go through the list and make sure everything's attaching properly, and you'll submit your receipt. And in our case today, we submitted 2 different receipts because I tried to divide up my Swagbucks and Shopkicks offers. And yeah, bada bing, bada boom, got it done. All right, guys, we are at a Walmart, and that went really well, besides the mistake I made where I tried to use those coupons on that hair dye, and I did not pay attention. They expired on the 4th, and I believe today's the 5th or something, so I totally clipped them in store for no reason. So it's very important to pay attention to the expiration dates. I know that certain stores like CVS may take expired coupons, but Walmart, it's a no-go. The system, and I felt so bad because they rang up at $5 when they were marked $3. So I had the cashier come price adjust it. And then I went to scan my coupons and found out they were expired. So then I needed her to delete them. And I felt so bad because she went through the most trying to get me the hair dye just for me not to get it. So it's okay. It would have gave me $1 in overage. So if you had that hair dye on clearance a couple weeks ago and you had those coupons, that would have been a great overage opportunity, but it's impossible at this rate. Maybe we'll get some more coupons for that hair dye in the next couple weeks if it's still on clearance, and that will be great. Other than that, all my coupons scanned perfectly fine, and we got everything we wanted besides a couple of Shopkicks offers. I will include them in the Google document breakdown. I wanted to do the malt oatmeal cereal. I saw on my Walmart grocery online they had bags for $3, and we were going to get back about $2 on Shopkicks, which would have made it pretty cheap. And then I saw Amy Way to Save shared that she had some Old Spice trial size body wash, and it was working for the Shopkicks rebate. You would just have to scan the bigger bottle, but there was no size restriction once you submitted your receipt for that item, so it would have been a 99-cent moneymaker. I'll go ahead and pop her picture here on the screen. She posts amazing deals for Walmart grocery shopping, and I'll leave that breakdown in the description box in the Google document for the Old Spice and the malt oatmeal. I think those were the two items that I wanted to get, but I couldn't find. Nonetheless, it's okay. They weren't really anything that I needed, and they weren't beneficial to my Ibotta completion of my midweek. So we're gonna go home, lay this all out on the table, and see how it went. I'm actually gonna get some lunch first. Little man's passed out in the back. He stayed awake for the whole haul, and we got to check out and he passed out, so that's kind of funny. But yeah, let's go see how everything turned out final number wise. This is everything we got today. I showed you guys how to scan your items on the rebate apps, and as well as how to submit your receipts. With the Swagbucks, there's no way to scan to check the product barcode to make sure it is eligible. But with the Swagbucks, they usually have underneath the offer what is eligible, the size restrictions, etc. So that is a tip you guys can go ahead and use if you're interested in using any Swagbucks offers. Just definitely read the fine print. With Swagbucks, they tell you do not use any coupons or any other rebate apps. I used coupons on these today, and they immediately give me back my $5. So sometimes they won't. Sometimes they're a little picky. But I usually use coupons on the items if I can. Our receipts, I did do the Shopkicks and Swagbucks in their own transaction because in the past it really helps to do a smaller receipt so you guys can go ahead and get approved for those kicks and Swagbucks immediately. If it was on a longer receipt like this, it would take at least a few days to process that, so it's easier for me just to go ahead and do it on a smaller receipt. So there's everything we got, and then our 2 coupons for the Gillette came off, so our subtotal was $12.19, $13.09 after tax. And then this receipt was everything else, and then you guys see where I tried to get the hair dye. I had her price modify it, and then I ended up voiding it off because my coupons did not work. That was totally my fault. So we have the Snuggle with the coupon. I think that was the only other coupon we had. We have the, what is it, the Carbana, and then the Nutella. We have the Werther's, the Annie's, the V8, the potato bread, and that was it. So our subtotal on this one was $16.61, $17.43 after tax. So our total out of pocket today was $28.80. We got back the $5 from Swagbucks for the Gillette. We also got back $10.43 from Ibotta. So we got back $1 for hitting our midweek. We got back $8.43 for this transaction, and then an additional $1 for doing the Purdue on this transaction as well, because the Purdue was also part of the Shopkicks offer, so I went ahead and did that separately. We also got back 735 kicks from Shopkicks, so that is equivalent to $2.94. So that makes everything here today, plus this, sorry I had to move it, $10.43 or 94 cents each. Let me just remind y'all that 2 of these deodorants were about $10.90 something together. So to get all this for $10, I'm pretty content with that. It can't always be free, and realistically, groceries cannot always be free. So I am okay with this haul. I'm okay with the $10. As long as I didn't go over $10, I was pretty content with it. Now, had I gotten the Old Spice that I shared with you guys that Amy Way to Save shared, adding that as a little bit of a moneymaker would have helped my transaction just a little bit. I would have got a little under $10, but this is still pretty good. So like I said, the printable list will be down in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're doing any Ibotta shopping this week, and if you have any good offers that maybe I could do if I get a weekend warrior. Remember with Ibotta though, with the midweek bonuses, they usually come out Monday mornings at 9 a.m. And with the Weekend Warriors, they come out Thursday morning at 9 a.m. And not everybody gets these bonuses. They do vary by account, so it's not anything you're doing wrong. It's just totally random. And if you are not signed up with any of the rebate apps, like I said, that will be in the description box. But we're going to head out, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!